I'm Kapil. I'm going to talk about recursion today. So we'll be talking about getting to know recursion and then knowing when to apply it and how to apply it. And we'll be talking about recursion and programming languages like Python, Java, and then we'll be talking about mathematics and recursion, the relation between them. So to know recursion, first we need to know what recursion is. If you go to Google search, even Google says, did you mean recursion? And if you keep clicking on it, it just gives you recursion again. So that's kind of recursion. Like, there is always a next level until it ends. But Google doesn't end. I tried it. And it just keeps saying recursion, like infinite recursion. And then, so first the definition of recursion. Recursion is the process of progressively reducing a problem into easier steps to solve simpler version of itself. Because devil is in the detail. We don't want too much detail on it. We want to solve by splitting it into pieces. So recursion functions consist of three things: logic, a call to itself, and when to terminate, often called base case. This is a recursion with the base case. Now base case ends. That's the base case. So how in world it helps me? How recursion can help us? So recursion helps to multiply, add, and other mathematical operations. And many recursive algorithms are used in machine learning, like binary search or recursive partitioning on the trees. And recursive data structure like trees, they are extensively used in applications for large scale companies. So college is recursion too. You have to pay money to learn so that you can graduate and earn money. And you have to have experience to get a job, but you need to have job to get the experience. That's it. And this is the main. So how is recursion implemented in many programming languages? Almost all the modern programming languages, compilers implement recursion through call stacks, like a list of calls. It builds on top of each call. So languages like R, Java, Python has a slow recursion and often has stack overflow after 1,000 stacks. It's in Python. And pure functional programming languages like Haskell are faster in recursion. So after this, we'll be talking about how mathematics and recursion is related. So recursion is a mathematical concept like calculus or algorithm or linear algebra. There are countless use of recursion in mathematics. And the thing with recursion and mathematics is that every recursion, or in math it's called linear recurrence relation, can be solved to get a closed formula. So you don't have to call again and again and again, which is way faster and convenient than recursion. So to sum up, learning recursion helps to solve the problem by solving the simpler version of itself. Using recursion in your code makes the code more readable and easier to debug since it's slower, And knowing when to use recursion is more challenging than recursion itself. Thank you.